Good morning, everyone. I'm Art Sebastian, and today I'll be explaining the sorting function in C. So let's move on to the program. So in the first program, that is, we have to uh, make a student record management system using bubble sort. Okay. In this program, we have to write hashtag include studio stdio.h standard input output dot header. So that will initialize a structure called student with the integer roll number and a float mark. After that, we have to go to the main function, and in the structure student, we have to give it as a 5-element array. And we'll initialize the two variables I and j in integer and structure student dot temp student and student temp. After that, we'll enter the student details of 5 students into the array into the structure in the ith position and the respective places, and that will take each element of the array and check if student of j's mark is less than student of j plus 1's mark. If it is less, we will swap those two, student of j's mark and student of j plus 1's mark. After that, after swapping, it will continue to check each. It will keep on swapping until it is in a correct ascending order. After that, it will show print student sorted by ascending marker in the roll number, and everything will be printed as per. So let's try running the program. So roll number of student 1, mark 1, color student 2, 3, 4. So the student's roll number has been arranged as per the mark. See? So let's move on to the next program, that is student record management system using selection sort. Instead of bubble sort, we are using selection sort. And this is the program. For this program, we have to initialize these two header files and make all the variables like as per shown. And the structure, another structure should be formed here with the roll number, name, and marker. After that, we'll enter the student details of 5 students with the name, roll number, and marker. Then we'll go I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus 5 minus 1, comma I plus plus. It will keep on running, checking all the students. Then min index will keep it as I. For j is equal to I plus 1, j less than 5, j plus plus. It will check all the students' mark, and if the mark of first student is less than the mark of the min index student, min index will be changed to j. If min index is not equal to I, we'll swap min index and s of I. S of min index and s of I. After that, we'll get a sorted array which is arranged by mark in the ascending order. It will be printed. So let's move on to the program. Roll number of student 1, name of the student, mark of student 2. Sorry, let's do that again. One, so here we got all the mark of the student arranged by arranged in the ascending order. So that program also has been proved. So let's move on to the next program, that is student grade management system using merge sort, using selection sort. My bad. Using selection sort. So the program for that would be a system using merge sort, not selection sort, merge sort. Okay, for the program for using that would be this one. In that we have to initialize these many things. And in the first function, that is void merge function, we have to uh, in initialize integer n1 is equal to mid minus left plus 1 and n2 will be right minus mid. After that, in the structure, L of n1 comma n2 for I is equal to 0, I less than n1, I plus plus, L of I would be changed to array of left plus I. Then for j is equal to 0, j less than n2, that is right minus mid, j plus plus, r of j would be equal to array of mid plus 1 plus j, where I would be I, that is initial index of the first subarray, and j would be the initial index of second subarray, and k would be k equal to left would be initial index of the both merged array. While I less than n1 and j less than n2, if L of I dot grade, that is the grade of L of I is less than or equal to grade of R of j, then array of k would be equal to L of I and I would be increased by 1. Else array of k is equal to R of j, then j will be increased by 1. After that, we will increase the value of k by 1. While I is less than n plus 1, array of k would be equal to L of I, and I and k would both increase by 1. If j is less than n of 2, array of k would be equal to R of j, and j and k would both increase by 1. In the next function, that is in the word merge sort function, if left is less than right, mid integer mid would be equal to left plus right minus left by 2, and in the and we'll use the function merge sort and change give the value array comma left comma mid. It will go here as these three values, and we'll use again we'll use that, and we'll change the value like array comma mid plus 1 comma right, and after that we'll use merge function and we'll give array comma left comma mid comma right, that is this function here. And this merge sort would go to okay. After that we'll go here. Merge sort will go here, it will loop. Okay, after that we'll go to integer main function and structure of student with a 100 array. After that we'll enter the number of student, the maximum 100 only. Then we'll enter all the student details. If we didn't give, we gave a negative or zero value, we'll write invalid number of student, and then we'll keep on looping and entering all the student value. After that, student details. After that, we'll use the merge sort function, and it will give the values and it will be printed in the sorted way. So let's try running it. Enter the number of student 5. Now, phone number student 1, name of the sorry. Okay, because I gave a wrong name, in a character, it is asking for a numerical value, that is 2. Name of student 20. And all the students has been arranged in the ascending order by mark. So this program has been proved. Thank you for watching and have a great day.